we have to find the linear dependence of the vector using matrix method. So here 4 vectors are given, x1, x2, x3, x4. We have to find the linear dependency of the vector. Are they related with linear combination with using k1, k2, k3, k4? And that we have to check, and we have to find the value of k1, k2, k3, k4. So for that we have to form a matrix of using these 4 vectors like this. Now x1 first vector in the first row, second vector in the second row, like this. Now we have to check, first of all we have to check the number of rows, that is m, should less than or equal to n. That is, number of rows and number of columns may be equal, or number of rows is less than number of column. Then we can operate it. If it is not, then we have to use another method. Okay. So now here number of rows and number of columns are equal, so we can use it. Now first of all that we have to find the rank of a matrix. Everybody knows the rank. To find the rank of a matrix, we have to bring zeros in the first column using first row. यहाँ जीरो लाना है, यहाँ जीरो लाना है, यहाँ जीरो लाना है. हमको मैक्सिमम जीरो रो लाना है, जितने ला सकते हैं. दैट इज अ नॉन जीरो रो इज द रैंक ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स. तो हमको यहाँ जीरो लाना है यूजिंग R1. तो हमको करना पड़ेगा R2 minus 3R1, R3 minus 4R1 and R4 plus 6R1. ये यूज करके हम जीरो ला सकते हैं. सो दैट A will become 1 0 2 1. Here we will get 0, then 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 6 minus 4, and 1 minus 3 minus 2. Then here it is 0, because 4 minus 4 0, 6 का 6 ही आएगा. 2 minus 8, that is minus 6, and minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8. Now here it is 0, then here it is 0, and this R4 minus 3 plus 12 we will get 9, and minus 4 plus 6 we will get 2. Now here we have to bring 0 in the second column. उसमें से यहाँ already है, तो हमको यहाँ लाना है using R2. So we have to bring 0 here. So how can we use? R3 minus 6R2. So we have to use the operation R3 minus 6R2. So change will be only in the R3. So the remaining rows we have to write as it is, 2 1, then 0 1 minus 4 minus 2. Change will be in third row. So it is 0, and here also 0, and minus 6 plus 24 we will get 18. Then here minus 8 minus 8 plus 12 we will get 4, and the last will be as it is 0 0 9 2. Now we have to use here the operation this R4 minus half of R3. यहाँ 0 आ जाएगी दोनों जगह, तो that A will become 1 0 2 1, 0 1 minus 4 minus 2, 0 0 18 4, 0 0 0 0. Now we can't bring here 0 using R3 या R2. So that's why the rank of a matrix A is 3. A का rank 3 है. Then we have to find the leading minor from A. क्योंकि rank 3 है तो 3 by 3 का determinant, rank 2 है तो 2 by 2 का determinant A से लेंगे. Rank of matrix A is 3, so we have to find leading minor, and this is the determinant of A from A of third 3 by 3. 1 0 2 3 यहाँ से start करना है. 1 0 2 3 1 2, then 4 6 2, 4 6 2, and we have to expand it. So what we will get here? 1 into 2 minus 12 plus 0 plus 2 into 18 minus 4, and that is not equal to 0. Since it is not equal to 0, therefore the cofactors of last column of A will give the values of K1, K2, K3, K4. So now let K1, we have to find the K1, K2, K3, K4. So K1, suppose K1 x1 plus K2 x2 plus K3 x3 plus K4 x4 is equal to 0 is a relation, and we have to find K1, K2, K3, K4 for this relation. So as I told you, K1 is a cofactor of this one. So how we will get K1? K1 is the cofactor. 1 का cofactor लेना है नहीं, इसके एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट छोड़ देंगे, लेकिन माइनस लेना है. Why we have to consider the minus? Because it is the element of first row fourth column. तो 1 plus 4 5 minus 1 का पावर 5 होगा तो नेगेटिव आएगा, इसलिए यहाँ नेगेटिव लेना है. तो हमको लेना है यहाँ पे 3 1 2 4 6 2 minus 6 0 minus 3 and we have to solve it. ठीक है, और सॉल्व करने के बाद वी आर गेटिंग इट इज -18. सिमिलरली वी हैव टू फाइंड K2. K2 इज द कोफैक्टर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट. तो इसके लिए हमको ये और ये रो और ये कॉलम छोड़ देना है. सो 102 102 462 462 and -60 -3 -60 -3, and we have to expand it and we have to find the value of this one, and this is the 54. Here we have to take positive sign, negative लेना नहीं क्योंकि it is element of second row fourth column. Second row fourth column मतलब 6 plus 2 2 plus 4 6, नहीं -1 का पावर 6 पॉजिटिव, तो इसलिए यहाँ पॉजिटिव लेना है. K3 is again नेगेटिव. ठीक है, इसके लिए हमको एलिमेंट लेना है 102 102 312 312 एंड -60 -60 -3. इसको भी हम सॉल्व करेंगे and then we will get the value of K3 and it is -9. Then we have to find the value of K4. K4 is again positive and अब इसका कोफैक्टर निकालना है, तो it is 102 312 and 462 and again we have to expand it and we are getting, suppose it is 18, तो ये 18 मिल रहा है. So now the K1, K2, K3, K4 are given. We have to put value here. So we will get -18 x1 plus 54 x2 minus 9 x3 plus 18 x4 is equal to 0. This is a relation between these four vectors. This is, they are linearly related and we can divide it by 9 or -9. So we will get it 2x1 minus 6x2 plus x3 minus 2x4. This is the simplest form of the relation between these four vectors.